Gold and silver both traded with a modest bearish bias and yet to break below the support levels as we have discussed in our Asia and Europe session updates. See, gold failed to break beyond 2038 levels. Yes, the double top levels from yesterday, while again it is getting support at 2028, while silver likewise is also coming back to the support levels at 2030, 2040. 2230, 2240. So now what to expect today from gold and silver? The PCE data coming in before the US session will bring volatility and then the US session. So what to expect? How to profit trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus press the bell icon, subscribe the channel and do like, share and comment friends to get the notifications. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver wash. Do join the free Telegram channel and do join the YouTube channel memberships here in order to get the benefits. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. After the rise here, it is just staying within the box here, failing to break below 2025 levels, and on the upside consistently it is delivering lower highs. Thus it is very very important for gold to now break past 2038 2042 zone. This is completely a zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. If you look at the hourly charts, see the rise, then sideways bullish channel and a breakout. Again trying to get the support here at 2028. If it breaks below 2028, we will look forward to 24, 25. Very, very good support exists there. Only below 24, we can look forward to further drop. Same levels, I have been repeating it since long. Gold is also tired staying in the same zone. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence. See the candle size increasing here. Possible conversion from the current levels can be expected, but right now it is not showing any intention. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart, staying in the box. Let it give a breakout either which ways. Whichever direction it gives the breakout, that is going to be the direction for the day. Specifically about 20, 40, 42 is where the bulls will take over, and below 2018, 2020 is where, in fact, 2014, 2015 is the level below which you can see gold as bearish. The stochastic looking downwards. If you look at the MACD just crossed over, and this is just the first red candle, so possibility of further more red candles from the current levels exist. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. See the first of all a reversal sign. After the reversal sign, we have seen it rising lower highs, and yes, you should not forget the lower lows here. Thus it is still trying to trade in this sideways bearish channel, delivering lower highs, lower lows, and that is why 24 levels will come into picture and a greater support levels. Also remember, after the rise, this was the first red candle. Probability is there that it can deliver second red candle with a modest bearish bias. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over here. First red candle, possibility of a second red candle exists. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. But remember one point, see this was the reversal sign and this is coming with the support at 2024. Now one must notice after the reversal, this is the rise here, and then now this is the breakout on the downside. It is erased gains from last 4 to 5 candles. And yes, if you just look into this in isolation, you will find it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. So where can we confirm that it is turning bearish? Again, below 2028 there is slight possibility, but only bearishness is below 2024, 25. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness are layered one over other. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish looking downwards. RSI is also dropped as well. Coming to the day, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 29th batch starts on 4th of March. Few seats are still available. Equip yourself with the tools and strategies and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my Telegram signals channel. You can ping me on Telegram or write an email for your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And those who ask me to recommend a broker, the broker links are shared in the channel and video description. This is a swap free account. This is the account which is specifically offering least spreads, and it is a regulated broker with ease of transactions. Now, do visit the link. Now, if you look at the daily, see on the daily charts, first of all, look at these 3 candles. Lower highs were seen here. Now current candle, today's candle has formed a double top and it has reversed. Double top is always important. It has got a stronger resistance it suggests. Now also one must look at moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence. This is certainly a bullish sign, and also this is going to be the support levels, how what we have seen yesterday. So yes, below 2028 is where slight bearishness can be seen. Now look at these 2 candles here. Again it is going to see the support at the same time. So possibly if it recovers and trades above 20 35, 36, we can initiate a buying entry, wait for it to break beyond 20, 40, 42, and if gold gives a breakout above 20, 40, 42, consider that as a bullish breakout and a rally can be expected from there. Else, it is not to be treated bullish. Else, if you look at gold on the daily chart, see drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, lower highs are delivered, lower lows are delivered. Thus, if it breaks below 20, we can expect more bearishness towards 2018, 2020, then 2014, 15, and if it breaks 2014, 15, then only we should treat this for a reversal and a sharp drop can be seen, which can in fact take the prices towards 2000 and lower levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, trying to trade with minimal divergence, RSI is looking downwards. Consider, I will recommend you to buy gold today only if you see it is staying above. See, the safer entries is about 2038, and those who want to risk a little can buy it around 2035, 36. Though 2038, 2042 is the zone, you should watch out for very, very strong resistance. And if it breaks out beyond 2042, consider that as a bullish breakout. We will look forward to close to 2050 and beyond that 2060, 65 levels. And on the downside, below 2028, we can initiate a selling entry, but be cautious. 2026, 24 zone is the first support zone, then 2018, 2020 is the next, and 2014, 2015 is the third one. Below that, only bearishness to be confirmed. Take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at silver. Now, look at silver on the hourly charts. What it is doing on the hourly charts, you can verify yourself. See, this is how it has been trading: lower highs, lower lows. Very clear. This is a bearish channel. It has been drawn automatically, and now it is looking forward to further lows. So if it breaks below 2020, then only I will 20 to 20, then only I will confirm this as bearish. Yes, it is still not to be treated bearish as long as it respects yesterday's low. Now see what has happened on the hourly charts. After hitting the lows here, it is retraced and it is slightly up, achieved the higher highs. And as I have mentioned earlier in the day, that 2255, 2260 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm the bullishness. Precisely, silver has reversed from the same levels. The stochastic has come to oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2-hour chart, now likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is staying within the zone here 2230 to 2260. We have to wait for it to give a breakout. In fact, even if it tries to break about 2260, you have to wait for it to break beyond 2280 first resistance zone, and beyond that it is to be treated bullish. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Similar observation. After the drop, it has bounced back slightly higher highs from the current levels and slightly higher lows. So yes, only and only if you see silver, the higher levels below 2230, then we can initiate a selling entry, below which you can expect 2215 and then 2190 levels. 2190 is the triple bottom levels. It has to break 2190 in order to come out of the box. I'll show you on the daily charts. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD. See, MACD has formed a bottom. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. Remember this fact. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3-hour charts. Look at 3-hour charts. Similar observation, 20 period moving average, it is trying to achieve and always reversing from the same zone. And yes, 2255, 2260 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm the reversal here. The stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD has formed a good support here, but again trying to converge crossover fall sell. It has not yet crossed over though. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see the pattern is similar. Nothing different. Lower highs are consistently delivered. Divergence and bearishness is seen. And after a series of bullishness, this is shown a reversal and now trying to trade bearish. We have to wait for it to break below the lows of this tail. Is still, I will recommend you can sell here at 2230 itself, but then 2215, 2190. Remember, greater support exists here. Also, if you look at the double bottom levels here, after the double bottom, if you look at the formation, just connect the dots here and you will find it is still retracing and it is still in the zone. Thus 20 to 30 levels are going to play a critical role today. Stochastic looking down. Now MACD is almost at bottom, trying to cross over for sell again. RSI has dropped. Coming to day. Now look at the daily chart. See, earlier in the day I have mentioned that this could be a reversal sign, but higher highs and higher lows are still uh, can be considered. And see what has happened. It has achieved higher highs, got the resistance, and it is again looking downwards, coming to the support levels. But as I said, it has to break below 2230 in order to confirm further drop, which can take it till towards lower lows. And again, 22 20 22 15 should be a very, very good support. See, it has formed a wick and it is trying to reverse, but we have to wait for it to break below yesterday's low. If you look at the daily charts, let me show you something here on the daily charts. What I have shown you on the 4-hour charts is getting replicated here. See, just connect here, double bottom is done, and after that it has seen higher highs. So higher highs, higher lows, a reversal from the current levels can be expected, but it is right now not showing any much interest in doing so. stochastic oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI has dropped. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it staying above 2250 level. And then we can look forward to see 2255 60 is the first resistance, and rather you can, those who want to take a little less risk should wait for 2255 2260 zone to be above which first resistance is to be seen at around 2270-80, and only if it trades above 2280. Further bullish momentum may take it above 23, and it has to break above 2320 in order to confirm a reversal today. Yes, on the downside, a selling entry at 2230 can be taken, but be careful. 2220 levels, 2250 levels, it needs to break. This is the only level below which we can see little bearishness. And in fact, if it, even if it is below this, 2190 is the level that is a triple bottom levels it needs to break in order to confirm the sell. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Do join the free Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Watch that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.